Hello friend, my name is Azhar. Welcome to Advanced English Academy, and today's video I'm going to teach you that how you will make a sentences from a words or vocabularies, and also will tell you that how you will pronounce the words perfectly and correctly. So let's get started. The first word which I'm going to start from, the number one, curious. Curious. And I'm going to make a sentence from this word curious. The sentence is, they were curious to find out who won the game. They were curious to find out who won the game. And the second word which I chooses here is rejoice. Rejoice. And the sentence which I'm gonna make from this word is, I rejoice to know that you are well and happy. I rejoice to know that you are well and happy. And the word number three is sanitation. Sanitation. Very little was spent on sanitation. Very little was spent on sanitation. And the fifth word which I can see here is educate. Educate. And the sentence will make, the school lunch should be adequate to meet the nutrition need. The school lunch should be adequate to meet the nutrition need. Yes, adequate. And the sixth word is beneath. Beneath. We had a picnic beneath a large tree. We had a picnic beneath a large tree. And the last word is here flexible. Flexible. And the sentence will be making, we should be more flexible to get more strength. We should be more flexible to get more strength.